Hey, Gwinnett. How you doing?
All right, man. Like you got a nice day for it.
Yes, sir.
This is it, though, huh? Because like the weather is gonna be changing Monday.
Yeah, but then again, I try my best to ride all year round, you know, cause like to keep the bike running and like I don't like to like let things sit. I don't know why, but
Like it ruins it.
yeah, right, you know, especially like if you let it sit with like the same gasoline for like too long, you gotta like burn it out like a little bit, you know. She feeling a little weird lately. What is up, everybody? We are back on the bike. We're gonna go a little somewhere, you know. Look at this Whole Foods, man. This Whole Foods is nice as shit, bro. I don't know if y'all been in it, but ooh, man, she sounded nice, bro. Why she sounding so good, bro? Back on the bike, we're gonna go visit the girl, you know what I'm saying? It's about like a 30-minute drive. Go have a little Halloween date. What is all this? Have a little Halloween date, build some Legos. Cause you know that's what the bitches love nowadays, bruh. Lego and bikes. Everybody here is protesting. America lately has been kind of, I don't know, bruh. Everybody, it's going crazy, man. People stealing bikes left and right. There's shootings left and right. There's shootings every week, bruh. All the time. Why is it like this now? Got a guy over there. I'm wearing my Dainese boots today. I haven't worn these in a long time, and they are stiff as hell, man. I need to start wearing my boots more. I've been wearing like my my like cruiser boots lately, you know. Can't waste too much gas, everybody. Going a long ways today, so we can't waste too much gas. About 24 miles. Come on, come on, come on, people! I would have known, baby, hurt my soul. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't. Left lane, bro. Come on over, bro. What are you doing? This video was supposed to be a 3-year review video, but I did not talk at all. Wow. Oh, thank you. There we go.